Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodandaramaya. I give you the latest updates on science and technology and abroad education. 10 crazy cool project ideas for Python developers. Crazy project ideas to challenge your Python skills. Did you know Python is known as an all-rounder programming language? Yes, it is. Though it should be used on every single project. You can use it to create desktop applications, games, mobile apps, websites, and system software. It is even the most suitable language for the implementation of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. The first point is create a software GUI using voice commands. These days, massive progress has been made in the field of desktop application development. You will see many drag and drop GUI builders and speech recognition libraries. So, why not join them together and create a user interface by talking with the computer? Here are some instructions to get started on this project using Python. First of all, you need these packages: speech recognition library, page drag and drop GUI builder, documentation, video of how page works, create login window using page. Now the idea is to hard code some speech commands like speech commands and description. Artificial intelligence betting boat. Tennis match. Betting is an activity where people predict an outcome, and if they are right, then they receive a reward in return. Now there are many technological advances that happened in artificial intelligence or machine learning in the past few years. Let us apply some supervised learning concepts in Python to create an artificial intelligence betting boat. Here are some libraries you need to get started. Pandas, data analysis; NumPy, multi-dimensional arrays, matrices and mathematical functions; Scikit learn, machine learning; XGBoost, gradient boosting; Matplotlib, plotting; Seaborn, statistical data visualization; Pickle, Python object specialization; serialization. At first you need to select a game, example tennis or football, etc., for predicting the results. Now search for historical match results data that can be used to train the model. Trading boat. Trading boat is very similar to the previous project because it also requires artificial intelligence for prediction. Now the question is whether an artificial intelligence can correctly predict the fluctuation of stock prices. The fourth one is Iron Man Jarvis, artificial intelligence based virtual assistant. Artificial intelligence assistant interface. This idea is taken from the Hollywood movie series Iron Man. The movie revolves around technology, robots and artificial intelligence. Here, the Iron Man has built a virtual assistant for himself using artificial intelligence. The program is known as Jarvis that helps Iron Man in everyday tasks. Continuously check the home security camera and inform in case someone is waiting outside. You can add more features like face detection and recognition. It helps you find out how many people are there. Open or close room windows, turn or off lights, automatically respond to emails, schedule tasks. Even the founder of Facebook, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg, has built a Java as a side project. Point number 5, monitor a website to get informed about an upcoming concert of an artist. Songkick is a very popular service that provides information about upcoming concerts. Its API can be used to search for upcoming concerts by artist, location, venue, date and time. You can create a Python script that keeps checking a specific concert daily using Soundkick's API. At last, send an email to yourself whenever the concert is available. Point number 6, automatically renew free Let Us Encrypt SSL certificates. Let Us Encrypt is a certificate authority that offers free SSL certificates. But the issue is that the certificate is only valid for 90 days. After 90 days, you have to renew it. In my opinion, this is a great scenario for automation using Python. We can write some code that automatically renews a website SSL certificate before expiring. Check out this code on GitHub for inspiration. Point number 7, recognize individuals in crowd. Face recognition. These days, governments had installed surveillance cameras in public places to increase the security of their citizens. Most of these cameras are merely to record video, and then the forensic experts have to manually recognize or trace the individual. Point number 8, contact tracing. Contact tracing app. Contact tracing is a way to identify all those people that come into contact with each other during a specific period of time. It is mostly useful in a pandemic like COVID-19 or HIV because without any data about who is infected, we can't stop its spread. Point number 9, automatically move files from one folder to another. Nautilus File Manager in Ubuntu. This is a very basic Python program that keeps monitoring a folder. Whenever a file is added in that folder, it checks its type and moves it to a specific folder accordingly. The last point is the 10th point, gather career path videos from YouTube. YouTube homepage. Create an application that accepts the names of skills that we need to learn for a career. After entering the skills, there will be a generate career path button. It instructs our program to search YouTube and select relevant videos, playlists according to each skill. In case there are many similar videos for skill, then it will select the one with the most views, comments, likes, etc. Challenging yourself with unique programming projects keeps you active, enhance your skills, and helps you explore new possibilities. Some of the project ideas I mentioned above also be used as your final year project. It's time to show your creativity with Python programming language and turn these ideas into something you will be proud of. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel, and you can share this video among your friends and well-wishers. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Bye.